Hello, first of all, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, first of all, we would like to welcome you at Kashish Film Festival. How are you feeling about this?
I have to welcome you because I have my guest pass and look who I am. I am the special jury. I am one of the jury members.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I would like to talk about screenwriters first of all. So, you have also been a screenwriter. So, how tough is to be a screenwriter and to make an engaging story so that you can be relevant to the producers and directors?
Thank you for your kind compliment. लेकिन मैं screenwriter नहीं हूँ. I have been a writer.
Actually, writer.
So yes, that definitely develops a sensitivity to appreciate other writers. I'm awestruck completely the way filmmakers have come up with fabulous screenplays, some amazing storylines. To my surprise, if you ask me what was different in this year's Kashish, that there were very few cliche films. There were very few cry stories who are wanting attention and who are trying to say ki we also exist, please, we want our share. I can't tell you how beautifully flowing the themes were. The direction was flawless, the actors were superlative, and it was a very adbhut experience to watch all these films, and still they could develop a certain amount of shame in me as a person that I was never aware of this section of my society. I was, but I wasn't as aware as the films are describing the smallest nuance of anybody's emotion.
So, ma'am, we have heard a word like content is king. So, what do you think? How important role does screenwriter plays in whole filmmaking process?
Be it films or theatre, plays, writing is everything, and I always feel India stands very strongly because we have original writers. Though we have remakes, but that doesn't hamper our original writing. When it came to queer films like Kashish, all the films had a different story to tell. Every film was a poem. The issue was arched out in a very interesting storyline. So no film felt like a issue-based film that we have to address. It wasn't about genders necessarily. It was also about somebody's emotions, somebody's hurt, pain, and it touched me so deeply.
So, ma'am, in press conference, we have heard that your first time you are just watching movie to judge. Like it's so tough to judge some, not to enjoy, but just seeing all the aspect to judge fairly. So, how difficult it is for you? Like you are the first time you're doing this.
I keep getting invitations for judging, but I am not very comfortable judging because at times I feel that I'll be unfair to some filmmaker or some actor. But here, while judging Kashish with Barun and Kiran Rao, we had really wonderful give and take. Each one of us had a say. And we were holding to our point, and we wanted the other person to understand our point of view, which was very interesting because which makes a competition very healthy, very strong. I somewhere feel that not necessarily I was looking at films as a jury, but once you start watching, in like 3 minutes, it makes you a sincere audience. You're not watching a film as an audience, as a judge all the time. So I also saw that how a film is entertaining me, how a film is inviting me to be a part of their story. I just enjoyed Kashish Pride Festival this year.
So, here you are judging with Kiran Rao. She is also being very fabulous writer. Recently, she worked in Lapata Ladies, which is a very fabulous work. So, how did what were the conversations you had with her regarding some writing skills or anything else?
I have met Kiran during Dil Chahta Hai, and since then I have known her. We have interacted quite a few times for variety of reasons, for films, for plays, for Pani Foundation, for her films, and now for Kashish. She's a brilliant mind, she's a beautiful mind, and it is always a joy to listen to Kiran's not necessarily verdict, but her observations and her wish list. I'm extremely fond of her as a person, and I admire her for her brilliance when it comes to sensitivity. So it was a treat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. अंदर जाने दो.
तू छाप सांगतो नंतर.
एक फोटो लेतो बाजूला होतो. एक सेकंड.
ए मागे घ्या ना फोन. ए मागे घ्या.
इधर हात येतोय माझा.
दादा मागे मागे. दादा तुम्ही या ना, थोडं मागे या ना. दादा तुम्ही मागे या ना, तुम्ही पूर्ण फ्रेम मध्ये येत आहे.
All of you please look center.
दादा थोडं मागे आहे ना.
Kiran ma'am, समोर sir.
वेट.
मॅडम समोर बघा. रेडी.
दादा तुझा पूर्ण फ्लॅश होतोय.
एक सेकंड प्लीज look here. Please ma'am सामने.
सोलो मॅम सोलो. मला काहीच मिळत नाही. मैम यो दिस कैमरा यो यहाँ पे थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you.
So the thing is, I would like to ask you that you have a fabulous screenwriter, fabulous director. So how difficult it is you to be relevant in this industry?
How difficult is it? Well, I always feel like, you know, there are trends. Some films do well, some films don't do well. But in order to be relevant, you have to make something that speaks to you as an audience, yourself, as a filmmaker. Something that you resonate with, something that you find interesting, important to talk about. If it's important and interesting to you, then according to me, you will never be irrelevant. You know.
Now let's see, like,
I mean, by you, I mean yourself personally, as a filmmaker.
so while writing, at least like we saw that all these audiences shifted to OTT platform audiences. So how difficult it is being for writers to write a content which we engage to OTT as well as for the big cinemas?
You're right. I mean, today people's attention spans have been greatly reduced with access to screens and many different kinds of content availability. I really feel like as a filmmaker, you need to be at the top of your game. That's all I can say. If you're good, if you're telling stories that are interesting, that are, you know, like you said, relevant to you, that you feel are important, that you have a certain a desire to communicate your story, then you will be a good storyteller, whether it's on OTT or it's on film. I do think, of course, OTT has its own conventions. You need to know how to tell stories episodically. There's a different format for OTT. So, I mean, of course, I'm talking about episodic, but of course, films on OTT would be the same as films for the screen.
When we heard and the content is king. So how, what do you think, what the role does writer plays in the whole filmmaking process?
Writers are everything. I mean, without a writer, you don't have a film. So, in that sense, the role they play is that they are they are where the story, the origin of the story. So, they're the beginning of filmmaking. So, they're highly important.
One more thing, screenwriters and the writers, they do not get that recognition they want.
Recognition.
Yeah, they want.
Yeah.
So how does it feel? Does it hurt? Or does that demotivate the writers?
I think that with OTT and the many new platforms, there's much more work for writers. There's a much more in that sense, structure around pay scales, around what they can earn as remuneration, because that used to be very poor. Writers used to not be paid very well. But I do think that has improved. I think, thanks to organizations like Screenwriters Association in India, the rights of screenwriters is being protected. And I'm really happy about that. I think in terms of getting their due, in terms of giving them their due, giving them their importance, that is up to the filmmakers and producers. Not just in terms of credit, but also in terms of, positioning them. Because they are the most important part of filmmaking, being the starting point of the story. So,
We have seen your work in the Lapra Ladies, where Amit Khan supported you a lot. So how does that, what do you support the support you get from Amit Khan? How does that feel?
no, it feels wonderful because I feel a film like Lapata Ladies could only have been made by a producer like Amir Khan, because Amir really wants to make the best possible film, and he realized that this film would be best with not known actors, and I feel very few producers would realize that or would support that. So I got very lucky to have him as a producer. He was also the person who found the story, so in some ways this film would never have been made without him.
So at last, what insight will you give to the screenwriter, inspiring screenwriter? So what should they do, what exercises they should do?
Well, now, there's so many resources online. I don't need to tell screenwriters what to do. There's a plethora of sort of workshops and online courses and just free content as well, which you can learn from in order to learn the basics.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
यहाँ पे
सामने
this side
लुकिया दादा मागे आहे ना जरा तुमचं येतं सर लुकिया या
wait. Good side. Okay, thank you. Wait, sir.
थँक यू
sorry I just need one with my okay. Yeah, he is the best photographer.
उसके भी जरा आज भी तूफान आना चाहिए
यहाँ पे
With this camera both of yeah.
Sorry, I'm barging you.